AOC has announced the arrival of a new monitor for advanced players that comes packed with the latest in imaging technology. This is the AGON AG322QC4, a model with VA panel of 31.5 inches that offers resolution Quad HD 2560x1440 pixels with 16:9 aspect ratio. AOC has opted on this occasion for a screen with curvature of 1800R and a more than acceptable maximum refresh rate of 144 Hz that no doubt is focused on the market of players with powerful computers capable of achieving such frame rates. But it also includes the FreeSync 2 technology with which to minimize defects such as tearing and judder while playing whenever our graphics card or video game console supports it. In terms of image quality, we have chosen to comply with the requirements of VESA for DisplayHDR 400 with a brightness of 400 CD/M2 and a native contrast of 2001. The average response time is only 2 milliseconds and several technologies have been incorporated to improve the gaming experience as shadow control to enhance the detail in dark areas. In addition, the frame includes headphone output, microphone input and 2 USB 3.0 ports.